I'm Dr. Rhiannon Owen and I am an Associate Professor of Statistics. So if I was to describe my job in 3 words, I think it would be innovative, challenging and dynamic. So I would say my role is really varied and no one day is the same, and that's one thing that I really like about my job. The best part of working at Swansea for me is there's a wealth of experience within the group here. So it's a very friendly and collaborative environment, and I find myself learning from somebody every day, and that might be in a completely different topic. It might be in something that I'm not a specialist in at all. But it's one of the things that I most enjoy about working within this team is that everybody has such diverse experiences and backgrounds that we can all bring to a research project. And I think sort of further to the environment, which has been sort of a real breath of fresh air for me, is also the sort of resources that we have here. So we have the SAIL data bank, for instance, which allows us to answer sort of real clinical problems that are facing wider society. And it allows us to really go into detail around those types of questions that we might want to answer, and of course the types of data that we need to collect and analyse in order to do so. So I think for me the best part of working for Swansea is the environment, but also the resource. I think that there's a real sense of team science within population data science, in that we all kind of work together and we all contribute something. But it also means that there's a great deal of opportunity to get involved in different projects and be sort of central to some of these really important questions that might be important to society, but also to me as an individual and my experiences. I think the best advice I can give to somebody who's thinking of applying to population data science is sort of be open to this sort of team science and this sort of team working environment. Everybody's very friendly, we're very inclusive, and there's a lot of shared decision making, but also a lot of input from different individuals. So if you're willing to be involved in that kind of environment, there's a great deal of opportunity for you here, but there's also a great deal of opportunity for you to work at your specific research agenda as well. So I would say it's very varied, and it would be useful if you could be sort of open to those experiences. So what I like to do outside of work in the summer is I like to go surfing. So you can either catch me on a wave, hopefully upright. And I think one of the best things about being at Swansea is we've got a beautiful coastal path, and I very much enjoy sort of hiking and walking the coastal path.